Hi, welcome to another new video. I hope you guys doing really well, and in this video I'm going to talk about how to add products to Shopify store, and it will be a best way to upload a products on your Shopify store. As you can see, we are already in our Shopify store dashboard panel, where you can see we have couple of options in this place. And if I click on products, once I click over here, then you can see we have couple of products in this platform. And here, if you want to view it, just click over here, and you can see these are the product I already uploaded in Shopify store. So if I want to add a new product over that place, how I can place it? So the best way is to click on add product option. Just click over here, then give a title, and the title will be, let's copy from AliExpress. Let's go on to the AliExpress and find out some products from that place. Yeah, this may be good. Let's click on this again, and then copy the title like similar way. Then description, maybe not necessary right now. Let's go take a screenshot. Yeah, this is okay. Download, and now I'm going to upload it. It's totally perfect. Then I'm going to give it a price. The price will be 2000, and then you can see we have the inventory. I'm going to make it 1000, and then here you can add variants if it is needed, or you can add category meta filtered also. It's totally up to you, and you need to be like, it's a definitely you need to be add description. Right now I am going to leave it, but you never will be ignore it, because descriptions helps you to make your products SEO perfectly. Once you've done everything, just click on save. Once you click on save, it will take a while, and then the product will be created. So let's visit on product page, and let's again click on this, and now eventually you can see our product creation has been done, and this is our product, and now anyone can purchase it from our website. So I hope you understand how you can add a new product to your Shopify store. If you love this video, then don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video.